Let me tell you a little bit about Rose Garden Nursing and Rehab. We're located in Toms River, New Jersey. We are a skilled nursing facility. We are a 128-bed facility. So we have also long-term care here at the facility. Nursing is our best quality, I feel, here. We have great patient care, which shows because we are a 5-star facility. I think the big difference here at Rose Garden is we have a different twist. We're more like your grandmom's house. We're not a big corporation. We take personal care very seriously. CSAV came to us in 2016, so this would be our 3rd year with them. We already had some cameras installed within the facility, but we wanted to expand that for the protection of our residents as well as our employees. They came in, they revamped what we had, they expanded what we had, and they made it much easier for us to access the system and much more reliable. We had some problems prior, technical issues they had worked out for us. I think as far as enhancement, they were able to bring more equipment in that we were able to use better. They expanded to the outside of the building, more in the inside of the building, relocation of cameras. We were able to look at footage better. In other words, if we had to go back and look at something, it made it much easier for us to do and more accessible. Prior to that, it was like only on one computer, one person could look at it. Now we have it set up that multiple administration can use the system. So the most important thing to me is quality, and CSAV has always given us good quality. CSAV seemed to have a lot of good reviews. So I contacted the company. They came out, they spoke with me, they explained their services, they explained their pricing right up front. They always give me a price up front before they do any work, which of course as a comptroller is very important. And I would definitely recommend CSAV. They do great work at a great price.